We jump into meal planning, let's appreciate our liver. This powerhouse is responsible for detoxifying your body, metabolizing fats, and storing essential vitamins. Think of it as your personal filter, working tirelessly behind the scenes. When you treat it right, your energy levels soar, and your overall health improves. The first step to optimal liver health is a balanced diet. By integrating a variety of nutrients, you not only protect your liver, but also fuel your body with the goodness it needs every day. A balanced plate is your secret weapon, simple, delicious, and incredibly effective. Imagine a plate brimming with vibrant fruits, crisp vegetables, hearty whole grains, and lean proteins. These whole foods are loaded with essential nutrients and fiber, which help reduce inflammation and support liver function. Try to make half your plate colorful vegetables and fruits at every meal. The variety isn't just beautiful, it's beneficial. Not all fats are created equal. Swap out the saturated and trans fats found in fried foods and processed snacks for healthy fats from avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats not only nourish your liver but also help keep cholesterol levels in check. A handful of nuts as a snack can be both satisfying and liver-friendly. In our modern diet, sugar and salt can sneak in and cause damage. Excess sugar can lead to a fatty liver, while too much salt may contribute to other metabolic issues. Instead of reaching for refined sugar, try natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation. Enhance your meals with herbs and spices for flavor. Your liver will thank you. Believe it or not, your daily cup of joe might actually benefit your liver. Studies have shown that moderate coffee consumption can reduce inflammation and lower the risk of liver diseases. So, if you're a coffee lover, enjoy your brew mindfully. Remember, moderation is key. Let's put it all together. Start your day with a breakfast rich in whole grains and fresh fruit. For lunch, opt for a salad loaded with leafy greens, lean protein like grilled chicken or beans, and a drizzle of olive oil. Dinner could be a mix of steamed vegetables, quinoa or brown rice, and a serving of fish or tofu. And don't forget a midday coffee or herbal tea. Planning is essential. Set aside time each week to prepare your meals. Batch cook your whole grains and proteins, chop your veggies, and experiment with herbs and spices. Keep your kitchen stocked with liver-friendly ingredients so healthy choices are always at your fingertips. Every body is unique. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. If you notice sluggishness or discomfort after certain meals, it might be time to adjust your diet. A balanced, whole food approach is not one size fits all. It's about finding what works best for you. By adopting these dietary habits, you're not just protecting your liver today, you're investing in a healthier, more vibrant future. Improved digestion, better energy levels, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases are just a few of the benefits that await you. Thank you for joining me on this journey to liver health. Start small by incorporating one or two of these tips into your daily routine and gradually build from there. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share your own liver-friendly recipes in the comments below. Here's to a healthier you, cheers to a happy liver. Until next time, stay healthy and keep thriving.